Arc browser tutorial. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about the Arc browser. Yeah, you can use it on the replacement of any other browser. For example, here you can see this Arc is the Chrome replacement. I have been waiting for like this. So there you can check this out. This is basically a browser exactly like Chrome, or you can say any other browser. For example, Mozilla Firefox, or even you can say Microsoft Edge. Okay, so this is the Arc browser calling arc.net. You can just simply search for it and it will redirect it to the site. Now you can download it for Windows or Mac if you want. So just simply tap on download for Windows and then just download it. Here you can see this, it has been downloaded. So simply tap onto this and then make sure to downloading it. As you can see, it is starting to installing. Now Arc is also available on mobile devices, for example Android and for iPhone both. You can just go and you can copy this link right from here, like you can scan this link on your device and it will redirect it to you to the site and you can download this. Or even just gonna you can go to this site or just search for Arc browser on your Google Play Store or App Store, you can say, and then you can just simply download it. It's free and you can use it. So let's head over to the homepage of there. You can check out their developer site. You can just switch between accounts in one click easily. You can check this is the interface of it while you are using Arc browser. You can check out all this, and Arc also has inbuilt AI, like you can summarize the relevant parts of technical documentation in seconds with ask on page and let your browser do more for your Arc Max. Okay, so let's tap onto the this site. Now you have to enter your name for your Arc browser. So I'm gonna enter my name as this and then I'm gonna enter my email address. So after entering all the information, you just have to tap onto sign up, or you can tap onto create an account if you don't have an account. And basically you must don't have an account, just tap onto create an account. Now you have to enter a password right here, so I'm gonna enter a password, then you have to confirm it. Then you have to, okay, maybe the password is not enough strong. Okay, so let me just enter the password. Then you have to confirm your password. As you can see, password must be 8 plus characters with one letter and number. Okay, so let me just add, wait, let me just add a letter and then let's tap on to create an account. So there we go, and wait until load is completed. So there we go. Now you can choose this one, like you can get us up speed. Like you can choose from what you want to import from or where do you want to import from. You can scroll down, and all of the things. You can just tap onto Chrome and then tap next. Okay, now you can skip this parts if you want, and if you don't want to, then you can just choose these options all over this, and then you can just tap on to next easily. Okay, so let me choose everything. Let me choose again everything, and there we go. Now you have to tap next, and now you can add enable Arc Max if you wish to, or you can cancel it. Like turning on Arc Max will power up your browser and save time online, and Arc Max requires that um, they send data to your AI partners, like their AI partners, and if you don't option it, it's never sent. Okay, so let's tap onto enable Arc server. Okay, now tap next. Now just let's get started. So there we go. Now we are entering the Arc browser. So this is what our browser interface looks like. You can search or enter URL. For example, I'm gonna search for YouTube, and then there you go, you can just simply tap onto this. Also, you can easily create new tab from here. You just have to search for what do you want. For example, I'm going to type in Google, and there you go, the Google has been opened on our browsers. You can just simply choose by clicking onto new tab. You can easily create new tabs on here. You can add extension if you want to. Just go to this site and search for your extension. For example, this one, dark reader. As you can see, all of these things, and you can create new devices, new tabs. You can choose these browsers from here, YouTube, or imported from other sites here, so you can just check them out. You can check out your Gmail. For example, I'm gonna add my previous Gmail address here, and you can just easily log into a browser by tapping onto next and enter your password, and then you can easily use it. So this is basically same like any other browsers, just the difference between them is these sites here. You can easily guess the difference. The search bar is here on Chrome, and the search bar of it is at the top middle corner right here. You can see directly your history right from here, but on Chrome or any other browser, you just have to tap onto this three dot icon, then you have to check out your history. So these are some normal, you can say, difference between the other browsers and the Arc browser. You can tap onto this icon here, and you can go back also by clicking on here. You can reload page by tapping onto this. You can directly go to Google Calendar or any other sites. You can create new browser, etc. Okay, so that was pretty much it about Arc browser. So lastly, let me answer you that whether you should use Arc or not. By the way, this question is completely depend on your preference, that whether you want to use Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser, or you want to use a unique browser, for example, this Arc browser. If you want to use something new, then you can just use them like this Arc browser. And otherwise, other browsers, for example Chrome and other browsers, is completely fine and okay to use. Both are completely safe, and that's it. Okay, you can create new folder from here, new space. For example, you can create new folder from here and other things. You can create new tab, and on this options there's hover things and etc. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video, and make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments.